very cool evening from my end. Hope you guys are all doing good. These days I hear people always say, if you don't get money, hide your face. If you don't get money, hide your face. Money is good though. But see, don't listen to that bullshit. Don't ever make anybody, allow anybody to make you hide your face. For what? Because of what? That's all bullshit. Whether you have money or you don't have money, do not hide your face for anybody. They're mad. For what? They tell you, keep your head high. Whether you get money or you don't get money, that's all bullshit. Alright? Money is just paper. Yeah, that's the truth. One day we'll leave all the money and go. Money is not everything. Don't let anybody make you feel less than a human being. Whether you're a man or a woman, don't that's crap, alright? Whether you have money or not, always speak your mind. Right? Don't hide your face for anybody. No do. Look, if you don't have an opinion when you don't have money, if you finally have money, you're not going to have a useful opinion. That's the truth. If you now start talking because I don't get money, make I talk, you go to talk nonsense. Even when you don't get money, talk, speak your mind. Right? Let people know how you feel. Alright? Speak your mind. Just make sure you don't disrespect nobody. Alright? Make sure you don't disrespect nobody. Alright? Give everybody their respect. But don't let anybody push you down. Say make you stay down because you don't get money. Now lie. Best way get money now human being. The one we don't get money now still human being. Let your voice be heard. If somebody who has money tells you, something that you don't like, tell the person that he or she is not making sense. You don't like this way they talk. Make tell you that kind of thing again. Tell them as it be. Nothing go happen. That's the truth. Alright? You just make sure you don't disrespect him. Money is not everything. Okay, guys? Don't let anybody make you feel less of a man or less of a woman because you don't have money. Speak your mind. You will have money, don't worry. If you hustle, God go bless you. Now so we hustle on. Alright? There was a time I had nothing. Today, see my house, I don't build house. I God. But even at that time, I nobody, if you tell me one, I go tell you as it be. Straight up, man. If you want to run me down, I know they agree. My head, he said, coconut head. To all my fans, thank you so much for all the love, for all the support. All my fans, everyone who loves the Yul Edochie brand, who loves what I do, my work, everything about me, who's been supporting, thank you so much. May God bless you all. May God keep being with you. Anything we want to ask God, He gonna do for you. As God they do for me, God they do for honor too. God bless you. I love you guys. Thank you. Signing out.
No best for me, I'm here. I'm trying my best. Okay, I'm ready to look at number 10. Number 12. Number 12. Miriam, number 15. Miriam. Okay. So go back to that table.
You have to rush. Even I do not control this people. Don't let anyone to use another person's name.
Hey beautiful people, how you doing? I think some of you are asking after me already. This is me right here shooting an ad for my real estate brand, Realty Pros. It's day 3 already. I haven't even rested enough from my global birthday celebration, courtesy of all of you. But duty calls and I have to do what I have to do. Thank you all once again for your unconditional love that you've shown to me this period. I thought I was going to get like a week off or go on vacation or something, but here I am. So thank you all. I love you all.